Sometimes, due to fear or insecurities, or maybe it's actually easy, uh, we follow the crowd or we follow the people around us and we take the path that they took and we play it safe in our lives. But we don't realize often how much it actually costs our lives to follow the crowd or to take the path that has been already taken. Let's look at what exactly it costs when you are in a crowd. We lose our individuality. When we are in a crowd, we get this mob and herd mentality. We do whatever the crowd does without even thinking. Our opinions gets diluted when the size of the group increases. We become unconscious when we are in a group. We don't even think. We just follow somebody else because he did this, he succeeded it, so let's try it. We don't even think. When 2 or 3 people tell us a thing, we think about it. But the same thing, when we've been told by 200 or 300,000 people, we'll believe it. We'll believe it without questioning because there is a group influence, there's a crowd influence, and we tend to think that when more people believe, maybe it's true. That's not the case. Sum of the masses is equals zero. A group of people is nothing when they don't understand what they are believing. The reason we might follow the crowd because mainly it's easy. It's take courage to stand out of it, and courage is following your conscience rather than following a particular group. It's believing in your dreams, it's loving what you do, it's questioning what you are believing rather than just simply following what other people do. The world accommodates you for fitting in, but you will not be rewarded. Because when you are in a crowd, you are just a person in a crowd, but you stand out and do something, you get rewarded for it. Observe the masses and do the complete opposite of it. It doesn't matter if people say 100 things. First they will laugh at you, the next they will join you and they will ask you how you have done it. Never let others' opinion dull your shine or lose your confidence because of what people have said. Whenever you find yourself in the side of majority, just pause and reflect. Don't just follow the majority. If you don't fit in, then probably you might be doing right. People might say, why are you doing that? Why are you behaving like this? What is this? What is that? Maybe they are wrong. Maybe you might be right. Follow your instinct. Do what makes you happy. Check your friends, what they are. If they are part of the crowd, distance yourself from themselves because they will also drag you to that crowd. So always observe the crowd, but never join them. You should not follow the crowd should follow you. And finally, be individualistic, think alone, and never ever join the crowd. Stand out.